You're right guys, I know a lot of you have been really waiting for this video and I'm sorry that it's took so long. I've been waiting to try and get some decent tools for my lathe before I made a start really on turning the leg, so now I've got it all sorted. Here's the video. I really hope you like it. As you know, this is actually a Wood Whisperer Guild project and I'm following the videos over on the site, so I'll leave you a link down in the description so you can go and check them out for yourself. There's loads of projects on there and Mark's instructions are top notch and he makes it feel really approachable. I'm really enjoying the project and I've learnt so much already. I had a little bit of a problem with this video guys, I'm really sorry. I'd filmed a big chunk and then I had a gap, and when I went back to the footage it was all corrupt and I'd lost some of it as well. So you're going to have to use your imagination a little bit, but hopefully you can get the idea of what I've done to get to the stage before I start cutting on the bandsaw and turning the leg. I'm really sorry about that. You're going to need to use a bit of your imagination with this part, sorry guys. To remove the material for the joinery on the legs, I use my sled on the table saw. The groove is cut into the inside face and both the edges. The outside face is just left flat. Now if you saw the last video in the project, you'll know that a rebate bit was used to cut the joinery and that bit needed to match a round over bit. Luckily I found these bits at routercutter.co.uk. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to go and check them out. I used the round over bit on my router table and set the bit so it was flush with the table surface. Then it was just a case of routing the profile before and after the groove. I did the same on the other side too. That's enough imagination required now. The profile in the legs fits brilliantly first time, which is a first for me too. The legs are going to be turned on the lathe, but I'll remove some of the bulk material on the bandsaw first. Using the template I made, I can mark on the shape and then cut that out too. I've got the piece mounted on the lathe and you can see now the bulk material has been removed. I'm going to turn a simple taper on both sides of the joint. I recently picked up a Robert Sorby Turnmaster set, and to turn the legs I'm just using the square high speed steel cutter. It works a lot better than the chisels that came free with the lathe. This is my 4th ever time using the lathe, so don't take what I'm doing as correct by any means. I start by turning the piece round. Once it's round, I use some calipers to turn down the small end of the taper. Then I'll move the tool rest to an angle that looks right, set my knuckle against the rest as a guide and turn the taper. I edge the tool in until I feel the tool rest hit my knuckle. It seemed to work well for me. I did the same on the other side and that was the first leg done. Now I just needed to turn the other one the same. I did exactly the same process with this leg too. When I thought I had the shape close, I used the calipers and my eye to check both legs were the same. I had to put the first leg back onto the lathe to turn it down a bit more to match, but the match stuck pretty well in the end. Now the legs are turned, it's just a case of drilling a hole in the centre to later accept a dowel. I use a scrap block to help guide an 8mm drill bit. Then I enlarge the hole with a 10mm drill bit. That's the legs done for now. Next step are the back legs. Wish me luck. So that's it then guys, the front legs I'm done. Next step's going to be doing the back legs. Nervous as always. Mark's instructions I'm sure will be easy to follow, but it's nerve-wracking making that first cut after all. I really hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to leave a comment, if you've got any questions, as always I answer all comments. And don't forget to subscribe as well so you'll be sure to catch the next video in the series as soon as I release it. Thank you all for watching again.